assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
So for this problem, we have a simple pendulum, and we're told that the angle between the vertical and the chord of the pendulum is given by the equation theta equals the angular amplitude times cosine of 4.44 rads per second t plus phi. We are also told that our t, if we're dealing with time, equals 0 seconds, and that our theta at time t, which is 0, equals 0.040 rads. And finally, that our delta theta over our delta time is equal to negative 0.200 rads per second. So with that given information, we can then go on to start deriving equations that will work to get us closer to the answer we are searching. So we can change our delta t, or say our delta theta over delta t. We can write that out as negative 4.44 rads per second times our angular amplitude sine 4.44 rads per second t plus phi. And when time equals 0, our equation for our theta t is actually going to come out to be our angular amplitude cosine of phi, and our delta theta over delta time, or our change in theta over change in time, is going to end up being negative 4.44 rads per second times the angular amplitude sine of phi. We will then want to divide our two equations, and that will give us negative 4.44 rads per second tangent of phi. And we can solve for phi. And we end up with the equation phi equals the inverse tangent of 1 divided by 4.44 rads per second times our delta theta divided by delta time divided by theta. And we can go ahead and substitute in our known values in order to figure out what phi will be. So we have phi equals inverse tangent of 1 divided by 4.44 rads per second times our negative 0.200 rads per second divided by our 0.040 rads, and that will give us a phi of 0.845 rads. All right, now the second part of this question asks us to find the maximum angle. And we can get this using our answer from part A. And we can solve for our maximum angle at time equals 0. So our maximum angle is going to be our theta at time equals 0 divided by cosine of phi. So for that, we know that our theta at time equals 0 is 0.040 rads. And we just solved for our phi, so we have cosine of 0.845 rads. And that gives us a maximum angle of 0.0603 rads.